Hi guys, and welcome back to Pocket Bees. So, I've made some progress, if you can see. Yeah, now I have 19 pollen, 4, 5 guard bees, 15 regular bees, the workers, and, yeah, that's it. Right now there's another reward for breeding guard bees, 5 of them, so great, there we go. See, these are guard bees. So yeah, right now we're gonna defeat the spider. So I'm just gonna place what? Well, that was weird. I don't care. I don't care. Yes, I don't care. So we're right here. We're gonna no, shit. Come on. No, come on. Can't do stuff under pressure. Finally, he's done. Now I need to mollify him with the resin. Oh my god, this is a very good spider. It usually takes about 2 uh, resin times to complete a mummified creature. If you watch the videos of the game hopping, this is not happened before. And if that's the same stats. What the frick? I don't care. Okay, so I don't. Yay! Join. Wait. Oh, dragon. Okay. So yeah, now I have a crab spider. That's not gonna cut it for metals. So yeah, you see, right here, here. Um, you can see that I have gotten the 10 bees around there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I got this much pollen. Okay, so basically, right now, I'm gonna show you how I completed everything. You see that there's no flower here? Yeah, I completely drained that flower. Now, there's 2 flowers here. A sunflower and a rose. So yeah. So first, I got some water. Then, I went over here and to the flower. And I killed the bee that was here, but when it was there, I could just boom, stun them and got some pollen. And that gave me a 1-second time limit before he got to collect the pollen and bring it to, and then I can collect the pollen and bring it to my hive. I could have won that fight without any repercussions. Okay, now I'm gonna get some 15 honey. I'm gonna send out all my worker bees to go to that flower. I want as much honey as possible. And I'm gonna breed I don't know. I was gonna say I was gonna breed some other guard bees, but nah, I'm not gonna. What's the objective? Okay, you know, flower staffs, you can begin crafting potions. Yeah, I already did that. You see here, I already did that for. Ooh, so now we have sunflowers. So that's not correct. How did you craft? Oh yeah, you craft. Wait. I really forgot how you craft flowers. Well, I don't need them, so. Wait, I'm gonna try something. This may be genius. If I collect some rose, I think there's a chance that I can get a petal. But if I drop it, then come back, I think I can get. This may take a while. Don't worry, this flower respawns. You know what? I'm gonna cut the music. This is much better. But I have no idea if the nectar or anything. I don't know if that works. I don't know. Well, at least that happened. So now I think I might get into fighting. So I'm probably gonna need another card bee. So yeah, I'm gonna put the music back because I don't have a lot of commentary to say. Okay, so see, I defeated 4 wasps, and I can, if I defeat 1 more wasp, I can get a thing. Okay, get that quest done. But right now there's none, so I need that. Okay. So basically, right now, I'm gonna go here and use this to spawn a different creature. It's right there. It's called a hummingbird. You haven't ever seen it? No, probably not. Most people haven't seen a hummingbird, but there we go. So I'm gonna take the resin and my bees, and let's destroy this thing. No. Crap. I died. How much honey is that? Good, it's only 1. I thought I was gonna get like, minus like 7 honey. Half of my honey. Ugh. That would have been terrible. Okay. So I think that's... Attack, bees, attack. Stay on the hummingbird. While I get... this is too bad. Come on, I need to... Okay, now I need to mummify it. I lost 1 bee, but that's good. Okay, I think they changed it in an update because it usually just takes 2. It usually fills up 70% on the first one. This is 35%. Come on, what the... Okay. I'll be able to do it, but... Okay. So basically, with those pheromones, like... Oh, this is a terrible one. You guys don't know how terrible that is. I'm guessing you do, because you can clearly see it. That is less than the crab spider that you start with. I guess I have to use it. And you can't have, like, 2 spiders, or 2 hummingbirds. You just have to have one of the different species. So, yeah. Okay, so should I get another creature? I used to have 6 sunflower petals. What happened? Crap! What happened? Okay, the bees are gonna finish in a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do some more pheromones. Boom. It's another hummingbird. Come closer to me. Closer. That's close. Come on. Stick. No, go back. Yeah, this is a failed experiment. No. How dumb are you guys? Oh, come on. Duh. Okay, no. Bees, attack it. There we go. Oh no, I have 2 bees now. I cannot do this. Wait, water! Crap! I should have used water! Oh my god, come on! Oh, good. Okay, now I need to mummify. The last goddamn bee. Oh, that was so insane. Come on. Oh, that's what was happening. I was just getting away from it instantly. That makes sense. Okay, that's much better. That's better because, yeah, all stats are better. So yeah, get out, putting that one in, and scrapping this one. Sorry, buddy, you're dead. So now if I put this here, yes, that makes a green flower. With 15 pollen, I need 15 pollen to craft it. Great. Ah, fine. Boom. Where is it? Where the crap is it? This map isn't large, come on. Where is it? I'm looking at the minimap, by the way. Okay, so 3 bees were lost. So I'm sending another 12. Where the crap is this flower? Or I haven't used it. There we go, a new flower has appeared. There it is. Oh, it's a pollen flower. Crap. Nope, you're not gonna get me. I need a few guards to deal with those wasps. How many wasps? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 wasps. Is there a 10 wasps defeated goal? I don't see it. Defeat 25. Well. Great. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, that being said. Okay, I'm gonna do a battle, and that's basically it for this video. So, yeah. Every day we get a battle token, and let's do this. Attack. I need to build a propolis storage first. Oh, god damn it. That requires 10 wax, which requires 25 pollen, 25 honey. And then another 10 pollen, and 10 wax. And wax is... I don't know how to get wax. Right. Oh, build a wax storage. No. Okay, so... I guess that's... Okay, sorry. I forgot. Proximity. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of this video, I guess, because there's nothing to do. I have nothing to do else. Okay, so... Actually, first I'm just gonna do this to see if it's a spider. Nope, it's another hummingbird. Which I have to deal with to get through those guys, so... So yeah. That's a bye.